Okay. Another way to show numbers is called a picture graph. Like we had our tally chart. Now we're going to do something called a picture graph. Now a picture graph, like the name says, it uses pictures or shapes to show how many of something there is. Okay? Now for this picture graph, we're going to say my favorite game is. Now I put up 5 choices for you. Foursquare, softball or baseball, soccer, jackpot, or basketball. So think of those and think of which one do you like the best. If we were going to recess right now and you could play any of these games, we had the equipment out there, which one would you want to play? If you would want to play Foursquare, please raise your hand. Okay, there were 5 kids. Now in a picture graph, I'm going to use a picture or a shape to show my number. So since all of these games use balls, I'm going to make a ball, a circle for each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What about baseball or softball? Okay, we had 4. So who can raise their hand and tell me what I'm going to draw right here in this box to show that 4 kids like that? Hannah.
Circles.
How many though? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many kids would like to go play soccer? That would be. I had 3. So who can tell me what I'm going to draw in this box for my picture graph? 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Because for every child who likes that game the best, in my picture graph, I'm going to draw a circle. What about jackpot? If you wanted to play jackpot at Reed, that's your favorite. Well, raise your hand. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So who can tell me what I'm going to put right here? Tiana.
4.
4 what?
4 circles.
4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many children like basketball the best? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have 6. So what am I going to draw right here?
6 circles.
6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's say somebody walks in and they weren't here when we voted. Can they look at this graph and figure out what the kids in room 2 liked the best? Who can raise their hand and tell me which game did they like the best? And how many children liked that game? Oscar. Basketball. And how many children liked basketball? How do I know there were 6 children who liked basketball? Yes, there are 6 circles. I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 liked basketball. Okay, which game did the kids here in room 2 like the least? Or which did the least amount of kids like the best? Tiana.
Soccer.
Soccer. And how many kids like soccer?
3.
3. How did you know that there were 3 kids who like soccer?
Because there were 3 circles.
There were 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. Okay. How many kids liked Foursquare? Braden. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many kids liked softball or baseball? Campbell. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many children liked Jackpot the best? Kaylee. 4. Now, I asked you guys already which one did the most kids like in room 2 and which one did the least kids like. Which 2 games did the same amount of children like here in room 2? Claire. Yeah, baseball, softball, and jackpot. There's 4 circles in both of them, and when we counted them up, we saw that there were 4 in both of them. So, a tally chart uses tally marks to show each one. A picture graph, we draw a picture or a shape to show each one of the ones that we have, okay?